All right, guys, I'm very excited to share this one with you. Healthy vegan cheese. That's right, vegan cheese made with no oil, no soy, no unnecessary additives, healthy vegan style, and it's absolutely delicious. And today, I'm going to show you how to make your own. Alright, so the first thing I'm going to do to get this cheese going is put all my ingredients here in the blender and get them well blended. I've got some cashews, I've got some arrowroot powder, I've got some lemon juice and apple cider. Now, if you don't like one or the other, if you don't like apple cider vinegar, you don't like lemon, then you can just use exclusively lemon juice or apple cider, but I've got a mixture. I've got some nutritional yeast and then some garlic and some salt. So I don't use nutritional yeast often, but when I do, it has to be non-fortified and certified organic. This is because if it's not organic, the growth medium is often genetically modified, which is something I want to avoid. All right, so now I'm going to add some water and some agar. I'm going to heat it up, and it's going to make it thicken, and then I'm going to add it to our cheese mixture so that it gets firm and sets really well. So as you watch this process, you'll notice that as the agar dissolves and comes to a simmer, it will begin to thicken. Now once it's thickened, we'll add it to the blender with our other ingredients and blend it again until it's well combined. Then we'll transfer it back to the saucepan to activate the arrowroot. This whole process of adding the arrowroot and the agar is to thicken our mixture so that once we refrigerate it, it sets really nice and has the consistency and the firmness of a regular cheese without all the junk. If you're enjoying this video, please like and subscribe below. Now you can see our mixture is really getting thicker, so we're almost done with this part of the process. Next up, we're going to get our mixture into our mold. Okay, so now I have my mixture where I want it, and I'm going to get it in my container so I can get it in the refrigerator and get it to set properly. So now I'm getting my mixture into the containers, and then I'm going to put it in the refrigerator so it can set. I tried to choose containers that were similar in shape and size to regular cheese. That way this would be perfect for slicing and making sandwiches. So our cheese is all set up. It's the right consistency now, so I want to cut it. Now mind you, I've only made this a few times, so I still get excited about doing this. Really excited about sharing it with you guys because so many people tell me that they wish they had a vegan cheese without the oil and without all the additives, and this is that. So let's cut it. Look at that, guys. Healthy vegan cheese. Isn't it just beautiful? Alright, so our cheese is done, and now I'm going to cut some slices, and I can tell you that the way this cut, the way it felt, the texture was just like that of regular cheese, but this is vegan, and it doesn't have oil, it doesn't have soy, the things you find in typical plant-based cheeses. So you're able to do just about anything you would with a normal cheese with this vegan cheese. Alright guys, so I've got my cheese on a delicious veggie burger. I put it in the oven, it's melted, and as you can see, it melts really well. Healthy vegan cheese opens so many doors for you without the unnecessary ingredients. This is the way cheese should be made, and I can't wait to enjoy this burger.